Welcome back. Arushi Talwar was killed by her parents. CBI Special Court has given its verdict based on circumstantial evidences. Finally, Ghaziabad CBI Court gave its verdict in the double murder case of Arushi and Hemraj committed 5.5 years ago. Arushi's parents are held guilty of murder and destruction of evidence. Talwar couple has decided to challenge the verdict in higher court. Sentencing is reserved for Tuesday.
Arushi Talwar and domestic help of Talwar family, Hemraj, were found murdered in May 2008. CBI court has given its verdict in the case after almost 5.5 years. Two teams of CBI gave different judgments on the case. One team of CBI had decided to shut down Arushi murder case while following lack of concrete evidence. The other team accused Arushi's parents and filed a charge sheet based on circumstantial evidences. CBI Special Judge Shamlal held Talwar couple guilty. Court verdict is based on circumstantial evidences, statement of witnesses and forensic report.
दोनों को 302 में और 201 में और 34 में कन्विक्ट किया गया है और 203 में केवल राजेश तलवार को किया गया है।
सजा का ले लिया गया है।
दोनों को कस्टडी में ले लिया गया है।
क्या रिएक्शन क्या था जब सजा का ऐलान हुआ?
जब सजा का ऐलान हुआ तो रोने लगे वो लोग, उनके परिवार के जो लोग थे रोने लगे।
Talwar couple has decided to challenge the verdict in the higher court.
Simply it was a proceeding of 2 minutes. The Honorable Judge came और उन्होंने आकर केवल इतना कहा कि आपके मुवक्किल को जो है दोषी घोषित किया गया है, held guilty under all the sections जो कि चार्ज में लगे हुए हैं।
So what is the reaction of the family at that point of time, sir?
Naturally reaction अच्छा नहीं हो सकता. It was neither expected.
सर ये किस तरह का ऑर्डर है आपके हिसाब से?
मेरे नज़र में बिल्कुल गैरकानूनी आदेश है और मैं कह सकता हूँ गलत आदेश है.
चैलेंज करेंगे?
Yes, naturally.
The court will hear the arguments on the quantum of sentence on Tuesday. Till then, Talwar couple will be under judicial custody. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Special investigation team on illegal mining is likely to issue summon to all accused mentioned in the complaint filed by the Mines Department. Sources inform that summons will also be issued to traders for carrying out illegal mining. The SIT has already started collecting records from the department. Special investigation team has begun to collect record from the Mines and Geology Department. It is likely to issue summons by next week to all those who are allegedly involved in illegal mining. Based on Shah Commission reports, Central Empowered Committee and Public Accounts Committee's reports, department had filed a complaint with the crime branch. Sources also informed that summons will be also snapped on traders allegedly involved in mining scam. All parties will get 7 days' time to appear before the SIT. On the other hand, the monitoring committee formed to auction extracted ore will visit Goa next week. Meanwhile, Solicitor General of India will file one more affidavit in the Supreme Court on Friday in Shah Commission matter. Earlier, Centre had filed an affidavit in the Supreme Court mentioning that Shah panel's work is over and there is no need to give them more extension. Bureau Report, Prudent. It's a return gift on Chief Minister's birthday to students of 6th and 7th standard. Manohar Parrikar has promised that students will get tablet PCs on his birthday, that is 13 December. Students will get fully loaded tablet PCs with syllabus by January.
Get tab. 13 December. Tab. Content notebook is now under closure. Plus, त्यामुळे कितेतले परत फुडल्या वर्सा 2 वर्सांनी आमकां टॅबाचेरूच वचचें पण दे आर टॉप 5 कंपनी 6वेच्या 7वे म्हणजे पोरू ज्यांच्यानी पळय रजिस्टर केला त्या भुरग्याक 13 डिसेंबर पासून आमचो प्रयत्न की क्रिसमस पर्यंत मॅक्सिमम सोंपोवपाचें पण समजा जालें ना सोडूंक जाल्यार जानेवारीच्या 2nd वीक पर्यंत वचत एक म्हयनोभर कारण ते क्वॉन्टिटी खूब आहा 47,000 कीबोर्ड लेदर जॅकेट आनी एक्स्ट्रा कार्ड आहा.
CM is planning to provide Wi-Fi facilities in the schools. The tablets will be loaded with the academic syllabus.
IT already broadbanding स्कुलापर्यंत हाडल्या. ताजें आतां एक्टिवेशन करपाचें थंय वायफाय सिस्टम बसोवपाची हें सगळें काम आसा बॅलन्स. That we'll do after we give the tab. We can select, for example, for every subject, for every class, one teacher amongst in the state, 1 or 2 teachers. who will give lectures afterwards, and those lectures can be recorded and transmitted to the student. So even if your teacher is not so good, you have the opportunity of listening to the other teacher classes. But that will take a slightly longer time. It may take 1 or 2 years to complete.
Parikar inaugurated 4 Bal Raths at Hedgewar High School at Madapanji on Monday. A senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Farari.
Slaughtering at Goa meat complex is still halted. Not only the meat traders, but veterinary officers posted as competent authority are also blaming petitioner Govansh Raksha Abhiyan for the interruption. The High Court of Bombay at Goa will hear this matter on 2nd December.
Months ago, the High Court had lifted ban on slaughtering at Goa meat complex and had permitted conditional slaughtering. But operations at meat complex is still at standstill. Veterinary officer posted at meat complex as competent authority has blamed petitioner Hanuman Parab in his affidavit for restraining him from performing his duty. Competent authority has narrated an incident. Once he declared few animals fit for slaughtering, but petitioner Hanuman Parab argued that animals were fit and useful for agricultural works. The officer also alleged that Hanuman Parab threatened him of contempt of the High Court's order. The officer said that he has stopped performing his duty. The High Court has allowed a representative of petitioner to be present at the entry of meat complex to monitor the entry of eligible animals only. High Court of Bombay at Goa will hear this matter on 2nd of December. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.